In this video, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the fascinating world of passive income streams, drawing inspiration from the imaginative realms of sci-fi movies. Have you ever watched a futuristic film and wondered how the characters effortlessly generate income while pursuing their adventurous lives? Well, today, we'll uncover unique income ideas that echo the innovative concepts presented in your favorite sci-fi flicks. From automated systems that run on artificial intelligence to futuristic real estate ventures in virtual worlds, the possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. We'll delve into various passive income streams that not only align with the themes of science fiction but also offer practical applications in our everyday lives. Whether it's creating digital assets, investing in tech-driven platforms, or exploring the potential of cryptocurrency, this video will provide you with a treasure trove of ideas to ignite your financial creativity. What makes this exploration particularly captivating is the intersection of entertainment and financial education. Sci-fi movies often challenge our perceptions of reality and inspire us to think outside the box. By examining these cinematic narratives, we can glean valuable lessons about innovation, risk-taking, and the future of income generation. So, if you're ready to transform your financial landscape and embrace the future of passive income, join us as we navigate through these imaginative concepts and discover how you can turn your dreams into reality. Get ready to be inspired and informed as we blend the excitement of sci-fi with the practicality of financial growth. In the realm of sci-fi, the concept of owning property extends beyond the physical world, venturing into the vast expanse of virtual landscapes. Investing in virtual real estate has emerged as a groundbreaking opportunity, with platforms like Decentraland and The Sandbox leading the charge. These digital environments allow users to buy, sell, and develop virtual properties, creating a new frontier for real estate investment. Virtual real estate operates on blockchain technology, ensuring secure ownership and transactions. Investors can generate passive income by leasing their virtual properties to businesses or individuals looking to establish a presence in these digital worlds. For instance, hosting events, creating immersive experiences, or even setting up virtual storefronts can attract visitors and generate revenue. Additionally, as demand for virtual spaces grows, the potential for selling these properties at a profit becomes increasingly viable. The trend of digital ownership is rapidly gaining traction, reflecting a shift in how we perceive value in assets. With the rise of the metaverse and increasing interest in virtual experiences, owning a piece of this digital landscape could yield significant future earnings. As more people engage with virtual environments for socializing, gaming, and commerce, the demand for virtual real estate is expected to soar. In this exciting new market, savvy investors can capitalize on the growing trend of digital ownership, positioning themselves for potential financial success. By exploring the concept of galactic real estate, you can unlock a world of possibilities that blend innovation with passive income generation, paving the way for a prosperous future in the digital age. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, the idea of resource extraction takes on a new dimension, inspired by films like Interstellar and The Martian. These cinematic masterpieces showcase the potential for mining operations beyond Earth, where asteroids and other celestial bodies hold untapped resources. The concept of automated space mining is not just a figment of imagination. It represents a burgeoning field that could redefine how we acquire essential materials. Investing in mining stocks or exchange-traded funds focused on companies engaged in resource extraction can yield passive income for savvy investors. By purchasing shares in these companies, you can benefit from their profits as they explore and extract valuable minerals, whether from Earth or beyond. As the demand for rare earth elements and other resources continues to rise, particularly in technology and renewable energy sectors, the potential for financial returns becomes increasingly attractive. Technological advancements are paving the way for automated mining operations, making the dream of space mining more feasible. Innovations in robotics, artificial intelligence, and remote sensing are enabling companies to conduct mining activities with minimal human intervention. These technologies not only enhance efficiency, but also reduce operational costs, making it economically viable to extract resources from distant locations. As we look to the stars, the prospect of automated space mining presents an exciting opportunity for investors. By aligning with the advancements in technology and the growing interest in extraterrestrial resource extraction, You can position yourself at the forefront of this revolutionary industry, potentially reaping the rewards of passive income while contributing to humanity's exploration of the universe. In the digital age, the potential of artificial intelligence, or AI, in generating content has opened up some really exciting avenues for passive income. Tools like Jasper and ChatGPT are honestly revolutionizing how we create written content, letting users produce high-quality articles, blog posts, and scripts with remarkable efficiency. These AI-powered platforms can generate engaging text in just a matter of minutes, making it easier than ever for individuals to establish a content-driven online presence. Monetizing blogs or YouTube channels has become a viable strategy for turning this content into passive income. By leveraging AI tools to consistently produce valuable and relevant content, creators can attract a larger audience and increase their chances of earning through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. As your content gains traction, the potential for generating revenue grows, allowing you to reap the benefits of your efforts long after the initial creation. However, while AI can definitely streamline the content creation process, the importance of quality content and audience engagement really cannot be overstated. High-quality content resonates with viewers and readers, fostering loyalty and encouraging them to return for more. Engaging with your audience through comments, social media, and interactive elements can further enhance their experience, leading to a stronger community around your brand. As we explore the realm of AI-powered content creation, it becomes clear that harnessing these tools can significantly impact your ability to generate passive income. By focusing on quality and engagement, you can create a sustainable income stream that capitalizes on the efficiency of AI while delivering value to your audience. So, embrace this innovative approach and watch your content-driven ventures flourish. The world of sci-fi is not just confined to the screen, it has actually evolved into a pretty lucrative market for merchandise and licensing opportunities. Popular franchises like Star Wars and Marvel have generated billions in merchandise sales, really showcasing the immense income potential that lies within this realm. From action figures and apparel to collectibles and home decor, the demand for sci-fi-themed products is ever growing, driven by passionate fan bases eager to express their love for these iconic universes. Licensing deals play a crucial role in creating ongoing revenue streams for both creators and businesses. By granting permission to third-party companies to produce and sell merchandise featuring beloved characters and themes, franchises can earn royalties on every sale. This model not only expands the reach of the brand, but also allows for a diverse range of products that cater to various consumer preferences. As the popularity of a franchise continues to rise, so does the potential for revenue through licensing agreements. Branding and fan engagement are essential components of merchandise success. A strong brand identity fosters loyalty and encourages fans to invest in products that resonate with their interests. Engaging with fans through social media, events, and exclusive releases can create a sense of community and excitement around the brand, driving sales and enhancing the overall experience. As we investigate the income potential from sci-fi-themed merchandise and licensing, it becomes evident that this sector offers a wealth of opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs alike. By tapping into the passion of fans and leveraging effective branding strategies, you can unlock a profitable avenue that celebrates the magic of sci-fi while generating sustainable income. The rise of subscription services has totally transformed the way we consume entertainment, especially in the realm of sci-fi narratives. Platforms like Netflix and Disney Plus have capitalized on this trend, offering a vast array of content that caters to diverse audiences. Their subscription models provide users with unlimited access to a library of films, series, and documentaries, creating a steady stream of revenue while allowing viewers to immerse themselves in captivating sci-fi worlds. Creating niche content is a powerful strategy for attracting subscribers and generating passive income. By focusing on specific themes or subgenres within the sci-fi genre, content creators can carve out a unique space in the market. For instance, platforms that specialize in indie sci-fi films, animated series, or international sci-fi productions can draw in dedicated fans who are eager for fresh and innovative storytelling. This targeted approach not only helps in building a loyal subscriber base, but also enhances the overall viewing experience. However, the key to retaining subscribers lies in consistent content delivery. Regularly releasing new episodes, films, or exclusive content keeps audiences engaged and eager for more. This commitment to a steady flow of quality programming fosters a sense of anticipation and loyalty among subscribers, reducing churn rates and ensuring a sustainable income stream. As we explore the rise of subscription-based sci-fi platforms, it becomes clear that this model offers exciting opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs. By leveraging niche content and maintaining a consistent release schedule, you can tap into the growing demand for sci-fi entertainment while building a profitable venture that resonates with fans. Embrace this innovative approach and watch your subscription service thrive in the ever-expanding universe of sci-fi. In this video, we've journeyed through 5 exciting passive income streams inspired by the imaginative worlds of sci-fi movies. First, we explored the concept of galactic real estate, where investing in virtual properties on platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox opens up new avenues for income generation. Next, we delved into automated space mining, highlighting how investing in mining stocks or ETFs can yield returns as technology advances in resource extraction. We then examined AI-powered content creation, showcasing tools like Jasper and ChatGPT that enable efficient content generation for blogs and YouTube channels, leading to potential passive income through monetization. Following that, we investigated the lucrative market of sci-fi merchandise and licensing, where popular franchises like Star Wars and Marvel create ongoing revenue through fan engagement and branding. Finally, we discussed the rise of subscription-based sci-fi platforms, emphasizing the importance of niche content and consistent delivery to attract and retain subscribers. As you consider these key takeaways, remember that the world of passive income is filled with opportunities that blend creativity and innovation. Whether you're interested in virtual real estate, automated mining, or content creation, there's a path for you to explore. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with friends who might be interested in these exciting concepts. Don't forget to explore our related content for further inspiration on how to turn your passions into profitable ventures. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.